Hi, I'm putting Goop on Troll Dolls and Chatty Cathy and the clothing. I have done this with trolls before and it works out really, really well. I got this idea from a lady on YouTube that restores old dolls, and she uses the Goop. And what I found and she did not have it on troll dolls, but I have found these came in a box and there were several and they smelled mildewy. So I took Goop and I just, as you can see, I'm just piling it on these guys. And it takes the mildew smell out, and not only that, the hair, oh my goodness, it's better than new. And it doesn't smell bad or anything, but I really watch this, I really work it down into the troll. And what I'll do with the trolls is I'll let them sit, for several hours. And then I'll come back and I'll wash them with warm water and a toothbrush, as you can see sitting there, and mild shampoo. Now, Chatty Cathy, on the other hand, is going to sit overnight because she is pretty dirty. Got this going on the forehead. I also use, and I got this idea on YouTube from someone cleaning troll dolls to use a magic eraser. Actually, I think it was the American dolls to clean them up. I'm also going to put this in Chatty Cathy's behind her ears, on her back, and then we're going to let her sit. Yes, I'm putting it in her hair, and the reason is she does have a little bit of a smell to her. Not bad, but why not? I've got the Goop, and that's just Goop. The stuff that came in a can that was very, very popular for car mechanics and other workers. But usually mechanics use the Goop. It took all that car grease off their hands. As you can see, I'm really working this into her hair. And as I have said, what I have found is that, let's see what happens here. Oh, look at that. Comes right off. Magic eraser. That's Goop and magic eraser, and boy, that dirt and those marks are just coming out. I just wanted to see. Yep, we're going to put more on. And I have a towel on the counter, and she's going to sit on that. And as I said, I'll take the rest of this, work it into their clothes, and then I will wash those with the mild shampoo and hang to dry. Thank you.